then my other spoons. Ito na, yung pinag-show ko na. My fire slime. Now this one is my fire slime. So stretchy. And it can be so
It's almost done.
big.
This is almost done.
Okay. And it can crunch.
Oh, wait!
But this one is my grass. This one is my grass slime. You know what? It's so big because this is my favorite.
That's the house.
And the ingredient is container, of course, and mixer, and my, sorry for the distraction because my cousins
Oh my God!
are also videoing for the YouTube channel. And this one is
Mamaya ulit iba naman.
slime.
Kasi mo kasi lalagay. Hindi natin sa plastic eh. No?
And I know my
Oo nga.
cousins eating this.
Parang kunyari, Bob.
And now guys, I'm gonna show you the ingredients. The ingredient is, of course, the container and the mixer and glue. Any glue, but sometimes don't buy clear glue. Maybe it
Ay,
will not
God.
work. And sometimes you can use clear glue, but make sure it will work. And use Ariel detergent. Only Ariel detergent, power gel.